All right, we got the Rogue Power Bar. This is the beginning. The Ohio Power Bar. Mike's gonna open it up. He watched some tutorials and some unboxings, so now we know what to do here. Because it's packaged so well, he's got to make sure he flips these staples up. And then he's going to use the screwdriver to pull these guys up. And then we've got the needle nose pliers just in case. If the staple breaks or whatever, but. Pretty good though. I mean, it's nice that they package it this way, because when you make a $200, $300, $400 investment in something, it's kind of nice that it's packaged this way. Then you can see that it's got the rolls in here, like Pillsbury Doughboy biscuits or whatever. Although we can't just hit this across the counter and hopefully it'll pop. It's not gonna pop open. But we're gonna take it from the end and do it right. I actually saw a guy that took a saw and was like sawing at the end, hoping he wouldn't cut into his bar. Actually, it worked pretty well. He didn't cut into it as far as I know.
Man, this hurts my hand. Yeah, actually.
Oh, you got the biggest screwdriver we had? Look at that big thing.
Yeah, it's huge.
Dude.
Yeah, this is much.
That's like for glasses.
This is much easier.
Yeah, well,
actually.
Because you got a little baby screwdriver. I thought you had a big one. Who even uses a common screwdriver anymore? You're gonna still need it though to pop them on the top.
That's right.
I'm gonna pop these guys right here. All right, people are starting to get a little.
Yeah.
You know how it is watching these videos. People are gonna be like, let's go, man. And they wanna go for it. See that? That's perfect. Boom. Messed up on that guy. That's what it looks like. Yes, this is the beginning, by the way. We are just starting our gym in here. So we've got all the blue tape up there that's showing where we're gonna have mirrors, racks, where we're gonna have our dumbbell rack, our little locker, TV, fans, all that kind of stuff, pull down, lat pull machine. So this is the beginning. We got the stall mats down, as I'm sure you either have seen or will see. These are the horse stall mats that he spent a good part of the day.
Pillsbury Doughboy.
All right, is it Pillsbury Doughboy in it? That's the new thing. If you do the Pillsbury Doughboy. Pillsbury?
Pillsbury.
Bury? I don't know. There it is. And then there's a foam thing right there that protects the end.
Oh.
Come on. Oh, this is it. This is it.
The suspense.
What is it? It is the Rogue Power Bar. Oh, you missed the whole dynamic effect. Okay. Bring it on down. Lift it on up. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what color is it going to be? Could it be blue? Oh, it's the matching blue. Bright blue. Bright blue. Nice. Oh, what brand is that? Is that Titan? Oh, that's Rogue. Oh, that it. And we don't even need weights. We just bought the bar to still have it. This is the beginning of our journey. And that, what we were told by Coop and Brandon and all the guys, is this is the most important part of your gym, in addition to the rack, is getting a good bar. All right, we're out. Nicely done, Michael. No pizza, you don't have like a saying? Like, see you ladies?
See you later.
See you later, ladies.